Okay, hey everyone. I'm always giving tips on what I'm impressed with, and it's hard to impress me. Trust me. Let me see if I can get this. I don't know if y'all can see that very good, but my thumbnail was split for some reason. I have no clue why, but it was. It was just split right, kind of to the right side of the center, and I tried the nail polish. It's supposed to make your nails hard and all that. Didn't work, not at all. And if you've ever had a split nail, you know what it feels like when you go to grab something and something else catches that nail and pulls it back. Man, it hurts. And I was getting tired of it, really tired of it. I was having to trim my nails all the way down to the quick so that they wouldn't get, you know, well, that nail, so it wouldn't get caught on anything. And I don't know what caused it to split. It's the only nail that ever did that. My other nails are good, but that one, yeah, it just split. And so I went online and I was looking up nail hardener reviews, and I found that some of the nail hardeners uh, contain formaldehyde, which obviously that's an embalming fluid, and that's no good. Um, but a lot of people, kept referring to this, and it's hard as hoof. As you can see, I ordered it on July the 25th. And right now it's, oh, and I got it on the 28th. And so right now I've been using it. Let's see. Got it on 28th. 1, 2, 3. $19 exactly. And you can look in my jar here. And I've probably used maybe a quarter of it. It smells like coconut. But I just get about, let me turn on this flood again. About that much on my finger. And I just rub it on that thumbnail and around it, and I try to get a little bit underneath it, kind of scrape it off and I do this whenever I think about it, and I am impressed. It's taken me 2 or 3 years. Now see, I put it on after I wash dishes and use any kind of harsh soaps and stuff. And so in that short of time, where the split was, is now, and it was like a 1/4 inch down, and now it's like 1/8 of an inch, even smaller probably. And so it's not a problem anymore, and I am impressed. It's called Hard as Hoof Nail Strengthening Cream with Coconut Scent Nail Strengthener nail growth and conditioning cuticle cream stops splits, and it has, and chips, cracks, and strengthened nails. It's 1 ounce, and it's $7.94 on Amazon. And I'm going to put the link down at the bottom. I am an Amazon affiliate. Anyway, it's a proven formula. Has been strengthening nails and conditioning cuticles for over 25 years. Prevents splits, chips, peels, cracks on even the most severe cases. Soft and fragile nails will quickly grow to new lengths. Gives nails high endurance and long-lasting strength, and coconut scented. Conditions cuticles and nails with calcium, vitamins, and hydrogenated jojoba oil. Okay, but anyway, it's made by Onyx Professional. As you can see, it does all that in one cream. And I've actually put it on all my nails just for, you know, just even if they're not messed up, just to actually help them. Because it's enriched with vitamin A, C, D, and E, minerals, jojoba seed oil, calcium, and beeswax, and more. I don't know what the more is. Does it say? Nope. And it's made in the USA. And it also works on toenails. It can be worn with or without polish. Never tested on animals, cruelty free. I've just got to say, it's some good stuff. And for that price, it has done exactly what it says it would do. And so I'm going to pass this along to y'all, and I'm going to put a link down in the bottom in case some of y'all have split nails and want to order it. And I don't see where it says works on most nails or something like that. I mean, this straight up says for 25 years, and I believe it now. I mean, I am so impressed, because now the little split is almost gone, and I have not trimmed my nail or anything. I mean, you can look at that. I have not trimmed that nail, and it's actually smooth, and I haven't caught it on anything either. Like when you got a split nail and you reach for something and you hit something hard, man, it pulls that nail back. I hadn't had that. And I actually forgot about it the other day, and I opened some icebreakers in one of these little things. And usually I would have to use my right hand and my thumbnail and pop it open and everything, because I knew that it would split, and I wasn't even thinking about it yesterday. And I opened that with my my left thumb, popped it right open. It didn't split, didn't do anything bad. So anyway, it's something to keep in mind. If this helps someone, give me a thumbs up. If you got comments, comment down at the bottom. I mean, it's $7.94 on Amazon. So I hope it helps someone out. And if you're in a in a warm place, go swimming. If you're in a cold place, snuggle up. There are cold places still, because I got friends in them. And hit that like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and that little bell so you know whenever I post. Okay, y'all stay safe and love you and hope to see you back soon. Bye.